Hi, my name is Renee Galino. I'm the financial aid counselor here at Hood College, and I'm going to walk you through setting up your Net Partner portal so that you can see your financial aid offer letter. When your financial aid offer letter is ready to view, you'll be notified by email that you can access your portal here. When your financial aid package is ready to view, you will set up as a first-time user in Net Partner. You will need your student ID, which is here with a capital P, and you will also need your assigned web ID, which is below. When you're ready, you'll click here to access Net Partner and set up as a first-time user. When logging into Net Partner for the first time, please click First-Time User. To activate your account, you will enter your student ID from your Hood undergraduate portal. Please include the capital P. After entering your student ID, you'll be ready to activate your account by entering your assigned web ID, which you'll find in your Hood undergraduate portal, and your home city. You'll create 3 security questions, which must be unique from each other and be at least 4 characters. Please make note of these questions as you'll need them in the future to reset your password if you forget. You'll create a password, and when you're ready, you'll click Submit. If you receive an error message after this page, you will have 2 additional attempts to enter your assigned web ID, home city, create your security questions, and enter your password. If your account is locked, please contact financial aid and we'll be happy to unlock your account and help you set up your Net Partner portal. At the top of your offer letter, you'll find your cost of attendance budget. On the left side of the screen, you'll see costs payable to the school. As an on-campus student, you would be billed for tuition, a comprehensive fee, housing, and food. This budget is based on a student living in a double room without a bathroom and having an all-access meal plan. Your direct costs may vary if you select a different housing or meal plan. On the right side of your screen, you'll see costs paid to others, including books, transportation, personal expenses, and other expenses. You will not be billed by Hood for these items, but you should plan for expenses that may come up as a part of your cost of attendance budget. Your financial aid offer includes scholarships, grants, and loans. The total in this example is $36,500 for the year, $18,250 for the fall, and $18,250 for the spring. That includes grants, scholarships, and loans. We'll first review grants and scholarships. In this example, the student is receiving the Presidential Scholarship. It is a total of $31,000 for the academic year 2025 to 2026. $15,500 of the scholarship would be for the fall semester, and $15,500 would be for the spring semester. You'll see the net price, which is a total of your direct and indirect charges minus your total grants and scholarships. To find your out-of-pocket costs based on your direct costs before loans are applied, subtract the indirect costs from the net price. At the bottom of your offer letter, you'll see federal loans. In this example, the student is offered both subsidized and unsubsidized federal loans. The subsidized federal loans do not accrue interest while student is in school, while the unsubsidized federal loans would accrue interest. In this example, the student is offered $5,500 in federal loans for the year. $5,248 of those loans are unsubsidized, and $252 of those loans are subsidized. Half would disperse in the fall semester and half in the spring. After viewing your financial aid offer letter, please click Menu and Accept Awards. After agreeing to the financial aid policies, you'll see your offer letter. At the very bottom, you'll see your federal loans as pending all the way to the right. You will select Accept or Decline to accept or decline your loans. If you would like to modify your loans, you can decide to reduce the amounts here. When you're ready, click Submit at the very bottom, and this process replaces submitting a paper offer letter. If you do decide to accept your federal loans, you will need to complete entrance counseling and sign a master promissory note on studentaid.gov. You can find information about completing your loan documents on the Documents and Messages page. Thank you for watching this walkthrough video of how to understand your financial aid offer letter.
Congratulations on your admittance to Hood College.